For this video discussion, we were given 3 problems and we are to give you 2 different ways to start the problem to verify the identity. So take a look at this first problem. For this first problem, we can take the right half of the equation, tangent of x times the sine of 2x, and use the quotient identity to change tangent into sine over cosine. We could also take the right half of the equation and use the double angle identities to change sine of 2x into 2 sine of x cosine x. Now take a look at this second equation. For this one, we will be altering the right side and the left side in 2 different approaches. Starting with the left half of the equation, we are going to use the double angle identities to change cosine squared of x minus sine squared of x into cosine of 2x. We could also take the right half of the equation and use half angle identities to change cosine squared of x into 1 plus cosine 2x divided by 2. For the third and final problem, we will be using the sum and difference identities on both the left and the right side of the problem. For the first one, we can use the left half of the problem, and since it's tangent of x minus a number, we can use the difference identities to separate that out. This one is a bit more tricky. This time, we are taking the right half of the problem, and we are still using the difference identities, just this time we are taking the more complicated version, and we are condensing it back down into tangent of x minus a number. Here, keep in mind that the tangent of pi over 4 is 1, which is why this identity is able to work.